गोंयांतले कुशळटायेचो फरक भरपा खातीर आकाशवाणी पणजेन गोंय चेंबर्स ऑफ कॉमर्स अँड इंडस्ट्रीच्या शिक्षण आनी कुशळटाय समितीच्या जोड पालवान पदवीधर विद्यार्थ्यां खातीर राज्य पांवड्यावयलो परिसंवाद घडोवन हाडलो. डीसीटीच्या श्रीनिवास सिनाई, डेम्पो कॉलेज ऑफ कॉमर्स अँड इकॉनॉमिक्स हांनी हो परिसंवाद घडोवन हाडलो. दिसभर चलपी ह्या परिसंवादाचे उक्तावण सोमारा जाले. G20 अजेंडा प्रमाण नेटान समावेशक आनी लवचीक वाड करपा खातीर गोंयांतल्या कुशळटायेच्या अंतराचेर पदवीधर विद्यार्थ्यांक मार्गदर्शन करतले. अजेंडाचेर उत्पादन, उद्देग, भलायकी आनी निरोगीपण, पर्यटन आनी रसद हांचो आस्पाव आसा. सर्तीची इनामां भेटोवपाचो सुवाळोय जालो.
कार्यक्रम ऑर्गनायज केला तो आकाशवाणीचे सौजन्यांतल्यान आमची एज्युकेशन कमिटी गोवा चेंबर ऑफ कॉमर्स आणि SS डेम्पो कॉलेज असे मल्टाय स्टेक होल्डर अप्रोच ही थीम घेऊन आम्ही हे स्किल्स असेसमेंट ऑफ स्किल्स गॅप पर्टिक्युलरली इन द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा असो हो प्रोग्राम आयोजीत आसा. तातूंत फॅकल्टी आसतले, भुरगे आसतले आणि ताजो हेतू एकूच की आज जग जशें चल्लां आणि अनसर्टनिटी जितल्यो वाडल्या आज म्हणजे ताका एक इंग्लिशीन शब्द आसा वुका म्हणून, म्हणजे वॉलेटिलिटी, अनसर्टनिटी, कॅओस अशा कन्फ्युजनान बाबा भुरग्यांक स्किल्स कशे आसचे आणि ट्रेडिशनल मॉडेल जे आसा न्हय एज्युकेशनाचे ते आज जे इंडस्ट्री सांगता ते तितले उपयोगी जायना म्हणून. म्हणटकीर एक स्किल्स डिवेलपमेंट आमचे भोवमानादीक प्रधानमंत्रीन एक स्किल्स डिवेलपमेंट मिनिस्ट्रीच म्हणून केलें आणि तो सारके फुडलीं आव्हानां वळखून बाबा स्किल्स गॅप कसो फील करचो म्हणजे वर्कशॉप जे आयचे आसा ते एक्झॅक्टली त्याच मुद्द्याचेर आसता.
I would say that NEP is the curriculum that needs to be adopted to face the challenges of the future. If you ask me that what is going to happen 10 years down the line, I would say that 30% of job available now won't be there even 10 years. So therefore, in this 80 credits where minor, that can be any course related to what is available in the market, what is needed in the market. So therefore those courses will be introduced. That is the reason why Goa University have been working relentlessly for the last 9 to 10 months to see that NEP based curriculum is implemented.
I think skill gaps for Goa have to be plugged, have to be moderately assessed, and we need to upgrade wherever there are shortfalls and deficiencies. In this aspect, this program would bring to the fore an assessment of skill requirements. It will bring to the fore certain skill gaps which are present, and we hope that it brings out a roadmap to work on these skill gaps in Goa, so that we progress both in terms of entrepreneurship, in terms of industrialization, and in terms of job creation.
It is an honor for India to have this G20 presidency, and during this G20 presidency, India is taking up many agenda items, and one of the main agenda item is skill development. And All India Radio, being the public broadcaster, is taking up the promoting the schemes of Government of India, and our Honorable Prime Minister is already pushing this Skill India initiative much earlier than this G20 presidency. And during this skill development seminar, we will be seeing the opportunities which are coming up for the graduating students, who will not only consume the job, they will create many jobs. So from this point of view, this seminar is very important, and I hope in future we will not have only employee, we will have entrepreneurs.
गोवा 365 खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिगीस, मनीष परब आनी संगीता ओली.